with another video. I hope you all are doing good. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys my collection of oxidized jewelry. I'll put the link of the store in the description box below. It is located in Banglore, Kamnali. So yeah. So the first oxidized jewelry which I bought is this one. Okay, let me. So you can see how cute it looks, guys. There's a mirror in a square shape, and yeah, it looks like this. The second one which I bought is these cute colored loop earrings. There's a loop inside. It looks really very colorful. It will match like with ethnic and even western, and you guys, yeah. The next one is this one. There's a mirror, and yeah, I feel this is on trend where there is mirror in the earrings. So yeah, guys, you'll really love the collection out there. It's really very cute. You can see how cute it looks. The next one is the one which I'm wearing right now. You can see the middle and then a moonlight kind of shape, and yeah. And then the next one is this one. You can see how beautiful it looks. The next one, it is a set. It's with earring and neck choker like type. It is on trend now. I'll just first show you guys the earrings. So yeah, it both looks the same, obviously. It is on trend now, so I think you guys can see it in Meesho app, and it's choker, it's neck piece. It looks something like this. It has the color red, green, red, green, red. It is alternative, and it looks really very pretty, guys, when you wear it on. So yeah. Then next choker, which is even on trend, is this one. I really love the way it looks, guys. See? Looks really very pretty. This is there is a knot. You have to just knot it, and yeah, you can see how beautiful it looks. The last neck piece I bought is you know, at one stitch only I bought all of these. So yeah, it looks something like this. It is long. Yeah, that's it. So these were the ones, and yeah, one more and then one more choker. Even this is on trend, guys. Yeah, I think in that store you get all the trendy ones, so you can go for it. And just, yeah, guys, it looks like. I hope you guys like this video, so do like, share and subscribe, and show lots of love. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.